Hey viewers, so in today's video we will going to see the arithmetic operations in C++. Arithmetic operator is justly simply means the perform some mathematical tasks like mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and finding the remainder. So we will going to see the line by line each of them. To perform some mathematical tasks, so we will open an online compiler and we will give a two variable int a and int b with the value of a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. And so we'll print C out and we'll give the a plus b, and in second line we will give the a minus b, and in third line we will give the a star b, means we simply doing the multiplication, and in fourth line we are doing the a slash by b, it is used for the dividing, and in fifth one we are doing the a percentage by b, it is used to find the remainder. So let's run the code. It does not look pretty well, so we'll print line by line. So to print in the next line we will be using the endl. After using the endl, it will print every line of our code in next line. By using the endl, it will print our code in next line. It does not print in the vertically, it print in the horizontal line. So as you can see in the output, a plus b equals to 30 and a minus b equals to minus 10, a multiplied by b is 200 and a divided by b is 0, and a percentage by b or a modular by b is equals to 10. It is simply means we are finding the remainder. And so one more last two operators are there, that is increment and decrement. So we'll take the variable a and we will write a plus plus, and then we'll print the value a. Then as you can see on the screen, it shows the output as 11. The reason behind is that output is 11 because by adding plus plus, it increment the plus 1 value. You can simply write like this: a plus equals to minus plus 1. It will increase by value 1. And to see the decrement, you just have to write b minus minus, then it will decrease 1 value. So hope you like my videos. So for more related videos, subscribe to my channel.